Hi guys, my name is Matt Cronin. I'm with NNN Investment Advisors. We are nationwide triple net experts. We specialize in partnering with REITs to find them properties. If your property meets one of our REITs' investment requirement criteria, then we can get you an offer within 24 hours. We just ask that we get a commission agreement from you before we get you that offer. Now, my name is Matthew Cronin. I'm with NNN Investment Advisors. Today we're going to be talking about zero cash flow transactions, or they're called in short zeros. These are properties that you buy where every single cent of rent that's paid to you doesn't go to you, it goes directly to the lender. So these are properties where you can put 10 or 20% down, but every single penny of your tenant's rent goes to the lender instead of you. Now, there are a lot of benefits to investing in zeros. Just to reiterate this, these are high debt to equity properties. You owe 90% of the value of the property to the bank. You owe 80% of the value. You only put 10 or 20% down. So you're just trying to pay off equity as quick as possible. There are a few requirements for this to happen. So for a bank to approve a loan for a zero, to a bank to approve a loan for 90 or 80% of what they think it's worth, a couple of things need to happen. Your tenant needs to have investment grade credit, meaning their credit is so good that a bank says, yes, we'll take a little bit more risk because they're a good tenant. 2, the tenant has to have a 20+ year lease in place for the bank to loan 80 or 90%. Now, there are a lot of advantages to a zero or zero cash flow transaction. The benefits are leverage. You're leveraging a 90% loan and only putting 10% down. Leverage and depreciation, but leverage is the big one. That's why these are great for 1031 exchanges, because if you're putting 10% down on a property, that 10% down is most likely less than the tax burden you would have paid if you had just sold the property without a 1031. So that's why zero cash flow transactions, or zeros, are attractive to a lot of people. You can use leverage and only put 10% down, and they're impressive to buy with a 1031 exchange exactly for that reason. So if you'd like any advice on what you'd like to buy next, or if you have a property that you believe could be somebody's next zero, reach out to us and we'll get you an offer within 24 hours if it meets one of our REITs investment criteria. We just ask that we get a commission agreement from you before we get you that offer. I'm Matthew Cronin with NNN Investment Advisors. Thank you.